I2C, or Inter-Integrated Circuit, is a widely used serial communication protocol in microcontroller applications. I2C is commonly used to connect microcontrollers with various peripherals, such as sensors, EEPROMs, real-time clocks, and other integrated circuits. I2C serial bus consists of the clock line, SCL, and the data line, SDA. The SCL line carries the clock signal, while the SDA line carries the actual data. I2C supports different standard speeds, such as 100 kHz, standard mode, 400 kHz, fast mode. Press Math, then press Decode 1, and then Decoder to select I2C, and open the I2C Decoding function menu. Press the Decode button to toggle the decoding function on or off. Ensure that you have selected the correct channels for CLK, clock, setting and data setting. Press EVT table, then event table to set it to on, and open the event table for detailed information. As you can see, this oscilloscope provides only basic I2C protocol decoding features, making it suitable for basic I2C debugging. However, for in-depth and advanced protocol analysis, a dedicated signal analyzer with specialized features is often a better choice. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.